Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to withdraw Litecoin from Uphold to Gemini in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this step-by-step tutorial will help you move your assets securely and efficiently. With the crypto landscape evolving, we'll cover the latest updates to ensure you're up to speed. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Uphold and Gemini. You'll need Litecoin in your Uphold wallet and the exact wallet address from Gemini to avoid any transfer mishaps. In 2025, Uphold has streamlined its interface for faster withdrawals, so log into your Uphold account using your email and password, or enable two-factor authentication for added security. Once you're logged in, navigate to your Litecoin holdings. Select the amount you want to withdraw. Remember, check for any minimum withdrawal limits, which might have changed by 2025. Next, go to the withdrawal section and enter your Gemini wallet address. Double-check this address to prevent sending your Litecoin to the wrong place. That's a common mistake that could cost you. After entering the details, review the transaction fees. In 2025, expect potential updates like lower network fees due to blockchain improvements, but always confirm the current rates. Hit the Confirm button, and you'll receive a verification code via email or app. Enter it to finalize the withdrawal. The transfer time can vary, but for Litecoin, it usually takes 10 to 30 minutes on the Litecoin network. While the process is simple, keep an eye out for any regulatory changes in 2025 that might affect cross-exchange transfers. Always withdraw to your own wallet for safety, and consider the market volatility. Crypto prices can swing wildly. Once the funds arrive in your Gemini account, you can trade or hold as needed. That's it for this guide. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video.